This video details about financial management. First, we will see what is the meaning of the term. Planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the financial activities of an enterprise is called as financial management. About the definition given by Gatman and Gogol, financial management is the activity concerned with planning, raising, controlling, and administering funds used in business. Coming to scope or elements of financial management, there are three elements: investment decision, financial decision, and dividend decision. The investment decision include capital budgeting, that is budgeting of the capital of an enterprise. Financial decision include decision on type of financial resource, period of financial resource, cost and return of financing. And finally, the dividend decision, that is shareholders or members of retained profits. Coming to objectives of financial management, there are 5 objectives. Number 1, to ensure regular and adequate supply of fund or finance. Second, to ensure adequate return to the shareholders of an organization. Third, to ensure optimum utilization of fund. Fourth, to ensure safety on investment. That is, funds should be invested in safe ventures so that adequate return of finance can be achieved. And finally, to plan a sound capital structure. Sound and fair composition of capital balance is maintained between debt and equity capital. About the functions of financial management or the Department of Finance. Estimation of capital requirement. It means make estimation with regard to the capital requirements. Second, determination of capital composition, which include short-term and long-term debt equity analysis. Third, choices of sources of fund. It can be share, loan, deposit from the public, or bond established between customers and the organization. Fourth, investment of fund, that is decide to allocate fund into profitable ventures or activities so that there is a safe return or safe profit to the organization. Fifth one, disposal of surplus, that is dividend and retained profits. Sixth function is management of cash, and seventh, the financial control or control of the finances. About financial performance standard of an organization. There are 5 standards: the stability of the organization, the turnover ratio, efficiency, profitability, and the structure of assets in the organization. About the sources of funding in the organization, which include retained sources, debt capital, and equity capital. Retained capital means if an organization sell a product or render a service for a price which is higher than what it cost to them to produce the goods. So selling a service or selling a product at a price higher than that is required for the production. That is called a retained earning. Then another source of funding is debt capital. That is through bank loans and also by issuing debt to the public. Then the third is equity capital, that is selling shares to the public so that those who purchase the shares will act as a shareholders of the organization. These are the 3 sources of funding. This is in brief about financial management. Thank you.